Stop worrying about your next flight. Today, I'm giving you 100 essential words to travel like a pro. Let's start your journey. Passport. Passport. Please show your passport now. Terminal. Terminal. Which terminal do we need? Ticket. Ticket. I have my ticket ready. Departure. Departure. The departure is at noon. Suitcase. Suitcase. My suitcase is very heavy. Check-in. Check-in. Where is the check-in desk? Security. Security. Security lines are very long. Liquid. Liquid. Put liquids in this bag. Laptop. Laptop. Take your laptop out, please. Scale. Scale. Place your bag on scale. Lounge. Lounge. Let's wait in the lounge. Screen. Screen. Check the screen for updates. Gate. Gate. Our gate is number 10. Flight. Flight. My flight is on time. Arrival. Arrival. Look at the arrival board. Trolley. Trolley. I need a luggage trolley. Customs. Customs. We must walk through customs. Duty-free. Duty-free. I want some duty-free chocolate. Seat. Seat. Which seat do you have? Boarding pass. Boarding pass. Keep your boarding pass safe. If you are finding these words useful for your travels, please hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more English tips. Aisle. Aisle. I prefer the aisle seat. Window. Window. Can I have a window seat? Pilot. Pilot. The pilot is very experienced. Crew. Crew. The crew is very friendly. Tag. Tag. Put a tag on bag. Belt. Belt. Wear a belt today? Remove it. Delay. Delay. There is a short delay. Cancelled. Cancelled. Oh no, the flight is cancelled. Boarding. Boarding. Boarding starts in 5 minutes. Group. Group. Group B can board now. Priority. Priority. Priority passengers go first now. Business class. Business class. Business class is very comfortable. Economy. Economy. I usually fly in economy. First class. First class. First class tickets are expensive. Meal. Meal. Will they serve a meal? Drink. Drink. I would like a drink. Blanket. Blanket. May I have a blanket? Pillow. Pillow. Use this pillow to sleep. Headphones. Headphones. Use headphones for the movie. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Does the airport have Wi-Fi? Charging station. Charging station. Find a charging station here. Connection. Connection. I have a tight connection. Layover. Layover. My layover is 3 hours. Transit. Transit. Follow the transit signs quickly. Visa. Visa. Do you have a visa? Always take a photo of your boarding pass on your phone. If you lose the paper, you still have the digital version to show at the gate. ID card. ID card. Show your ID card here. Scanner. Scanner. Walk through the body scanner. Metal detector. Metal detector. The metal detector is beeping. Shoes. Shoes. Please take off your shoes. Jacket. Jacket. Put your jacket in tray. Watch. Watch. Take off your gold watch. Boarding time. Boarding time. What is the boarding time? Last call. Last call. This is the last call. Final boarding. Final boarding. Final boarding at gate 4. Passenger. Passenger. Every passenger must sit down. Queue. Queue. Stand in the correct queue. Wait. Wait. We must wait for news. Seating area. Seating area. The seating area is full. Luggage claim. Luggage claim. Go to the luggage claim. Carousel. Carousel. Wait at carousel number 5. Lost and found. Lost and found. Visit the lost and found. Taxi. Taxi. Let's take a taxi home. Bus. Bus. The shuttle bus is outside. Train. Train. The train station is downstairs. Rental car. Rental car. Where is the rental car? When you hear last call on the speakers, it means the plane doors are closing very soon. Do not walk, run to your gate. Parking. Parking. Parking is in Lot B. Currency exchange. Currency exchange. Find the currency exchange desk. ATM. ATM. I need to find ATM. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Is there a pharmacy here? Cafe. Cafe. Let's buy coffee at cafe. Restaurant. Restaurant. This restaurant is very busy. Bookstore. Bookstore. Buy a book for flight. Souvenir. Souvenir. I need a small souvenir. Duty paid. Duty paid. These goods are duty paid already. Flight number. Flight number. What is your flight number? Destination. Destination. London is my final destination. Origin. Origin. What is your city origin? Airline. Airline. Which airline are you using? Runway. Runway. The plane is on runway. Take off. Take off. Prepare for takeoff, please. Landing. Landing. The landing was very smooth. Turbulence. Turbulence. We are experiencing some turbulence. Fasten seatbelt. Fasten seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt now. Life vest. Life vest. The life vest is under. Oxygen mask. Oxygen mask. Use the oxygen mask first. Emergency exit. Emergency exit. This is the emergency exit. Cabin. Cabin. The cabin is very quiet. Overhead bin. Overhead bin. Put bags in overhead bin. Footrest. Footrest. Adjust your footrest for comfort. Tray table. Tray table. Fold your tray table up. For international flights, arrive at least 3 hours early. Security checks and walking to distant gates can take much longer than you expect. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. Ask the flight attendant help. Captain. Captain. The captain is speaking now. Sky. Sky. The sky is very blue. Bin. Bin. Use the trash bin there. Backpack. Backpack. My backpack is under seat. Escalator. Escalator. Take the escalator upstairs, please. Elevator. Elevator. The elevator is near stairs. Information desk. Information desk. Ask at the information desk. Gate change. Gate change. There is a gate change. On time. On time. Everything is moving on time. Now you're ready for the airport. Subscribe for more tips and tell me your next destination in the comments. Safe travels!